Welcome to Scientific Mysteries. In today's episode, we will be delving into the fantastical mysteries of the female psyche, particularly their texting habits. We will discover the hidden meaning, decipher the jumbled masses of texts, and attempt to understand why they use so many unnecessary consonants. So stay tuned as we scientificate scientific mysteries.
Here we have our male test subject. Right now he is in a state of satisfaction. He is happily focused on his novel. But wait, his phone begins to buzz in his pocket. Look at the break of concentration. This poor young man will never reach the same level of productivity again, for he has received a text from a member of the opposite sex. Instantaneously upon seeing the name, hundreds, if not thousands of questions emerge from the depths of his brain. Among the most prevalent are those of, what does she want? Did a girl actually mean to send a text to me? And most importantly, who is Alice? The simple process of opening the message will answer a large number of these questions. But in the male's flustered state, he can barely manage to make his way past his unlock screen. Once he gets past his feeble anti-theft defenses, the male quickly makes his way to his messages so he can view the source of his excitement.
Hey, it's face and face, but where's Cool's face? What is that supposed to mean? We at Scientific Mysteries couldn't figure it out, so we outsourced this jumbled mass of text and pictures to our out-of-house expert, an actual female. So, as a real-life actual female, what does this text mean? Is the recipient supposed to respond? Was the entire point of this message to confuse the recipient?
Well, for this problem, I recalled information from many valid sources. My personal experiences, college courses, and my in-depth psychological study of the inexplicable habits of women, primarily from ages 14 to 37. I have spent many a long night developing and subsequently poking holes through many possible hypotheses that could explain this behavior. Countless hours have gone into research, and yet I regretfully must tell you that I am stumped.
Well, this has never happened before. You at least have some advice as to how a recipient should respond.
Yes. After discussing it with fellow colleagues, we have come to the conclusion that the recipient should respond. In fact, after performing many experiments, we have determined that 65% of the time, it is better for the recipient to respond to a female's message than to not.
Yes. We understand the recipient should respond, but in what manner?
I am not sure.
Well, there you have it, folks. Even our most qualified expert can't figure out how to handle the situation. Just makes us wonder how our test subject handled the situation. And that went on until his battery died. We at Scientific Mysteries have failed in finding the answer to this mystery, but we are fairly certain the course of action taken by our test subject was not the right one. Literally anything else would have been better.
Next week on Scientific Mysteries, join us as we investigate the mystery of hiring acceptable experts on their given subjects.